A vessel of 132 liters is filled with juice and water. 73% of juice and 37% of water is taken out of the vessel. It is found that the vessel is vacated by 58%. Find the difference between the initial quantity of juice and water in the vessel. We can use average alligation to solve it faster. So if we talk about juice, so we can say that 73% is being taken out. And if we talk about water, we can say that 37% is being taken out, such that overall, on an average, 58% is being taken out. Using alligation, 73 and 58, they are at a gap of 15, and 37 and 58, they are at a gap of 21. So it is in the ratio 7:5. That means juice is 7 liters, water is 5 liters, or juice is in the table of 7, water is in the table of 5. So can we say 7 plus 5, that is 12 units, is given as 132. So how will we have 12 as 132? How many times is this? This is 11 times. So can we say that 77 liters of juice we had initially, and this is 7 and not Z, and we had 55 liters of water, such that the difference is going to be 22 liters. That's what we had initially.